Now came. We can start, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. See, yesterday we created customers and everything. Okay, today I will show you how to post the customer invoice and how we will do the payment. Okay. Right. Posting of customer invoice. Posting of customer invoice. See, before posting customer invoice, some required fields required, right? One by one. Document type is equal to DR. Document type is equal to DR. For customer invoice, the document type will be DR. Now go and check for document type DR, what is the number range? Go to / and OB A7.
OB
A7.
A7.
Here all the document types will be there. No. For customer invoice DR, go to position. Check the DR. Where is the DR?
Position, right?
DR. This is the customer invoice, no? Double click. What is the number range?
18.
Now go and create the number range. Creation of customer document number range in FBN1. Creation of / and FBN1.
Creation of
document number range. / and FBN1. Give the company code. Click on interval. Insert plus. Give 18. 2022. 18 all zeros. 18 all nines. / 18 all zeros. 18 all nines. Save. Means for customer invoice 18 is the document number. Okay, for GL posting 01 is the number range.
Sheikh, actually, first we need to create this document number range, then only we need to posting of customer invoice, right?
Correct.
So document type, each and every document type we need to create, like now it's customer invoice.
Correct.
If you have any other document type is there, we need to create it.
Correct.
Okay, but by default, the application is not having this document types. Generally,
document types will be there. Number range you need to create manually.
Okay.
Number range is mandatory.
So each document type will have its own numbers, right? So
Correct.
if it's exhausted, then we need to again go and update the records.
Correct. That's why now we are giving full range. 18 all zeros, 18 all nine means nobody will post 1 crore entries. Who will post for 1 year?
Correct. But generally, from AR side, customer side, how many document types we have? Do you have any idea on that?
Maximum 3 only.
One is this customer invoice, DR.
Payment is there, advance is there.
Payment, PUI, right? PUI and advance.
Advance. Okay.
Yeah. So for checking the document type, I think you went first to check what is the document type number, right?
Correct.
So
Correct.
further, what is the T code?
That OB already in configuration we have discussed now. OBA7.
OBA7.
That is the configuration part. Out of 22 steps, that is one step.
Okay. OBA7. Okay.
Means all the document types will be available in OBA7.
Okay. So first we need to go and check the document type number. Then we need to create the document number range.
Correct.
Then we go for the posting. Okay.
Correct. Perfect.
So
okay.
This is an error message or pop?
Continue.
Yeah.
Now we will post the invoice. Okay. For posting the invoice, T code F-22. Customer invoice. F-22. /n F-22. Okay. This is the here only we will post the invoice. Give the date and try to post. Give the currency, company code, everything. The period is 6. Give company code. Currency INR. Okay. See 01 is posting key, 01 is debit for customer invoice. Okay. The account entry will be customer account to sales account. Okay. Customer will be debit, sales will be credit. Okay.
So here and all we don't.
Debit means 01. Okay. If you click here, the customer list will come. What are the customers we created? No, already company code is there. No, Santosh, correct only, Suresh. Search. No, correct only. Company code is there. No, search. See, here the customer list will come. Only one customer is there. Okay, already we created. Enter. What is error? Nothing. Okay. Give 1000. Text you write sales. Posting key credit is 50. Sales account. Select sales account. Enter. Give the amount, same amount. Put text sales. Go to document and simulate. See, customer account to sales. Okay, 40 is debit, 50 is credit. Post. Save.
But here the posting key is slightly different, right? In journal entry we used 40, here 01, right?
Correct. It will change. Okay. It will change. See, document successfully posted down. Okay. Now after posting, right, go and check the customer balance, invoice balance. Checking the customer invoice balance. FBL 5N. /n FBL 5N. /n FBL 5N. /n FBL 5N. Select the customer. See here, whenever you are executing, no open, clear, all is there. See, all the invoices will be in open items only. Okay, what is the meaning of clear? Means until you paid fully, no, it will go to clear. Okay, all means it will show both. Okay, invoices and payments. Okay, now invoice, no, invoice will be in open only. Execute. See, this is the invoice. Okay, 1,000 rupees. Now what we will do, no, we will make some half payment. Okay, right. Posting the customer payment. Posting the customer payment. For posting the customer payment, document type will be DZ. For posting the customer payment, the document type will be DZ. Okay, and for document type DZ, what is the number range? Go and check and create the number range.
You need to go to the OB87, right?
Correct. DZ. Check the number range. What is there?
14.
Now go to /n FBN1, create 14. Fourteen all zeros, 14 all nines. Save. Now for posting the customer payment, the T code is F-28. /n F-28.
This is for posting a payment, right?
Correct. Select the date. Date, company code, INR, everything. Okay, here down account is there, that bank, yeah, cash account you select. Account entry will be debit will be cash, credit will be customer. Okay, put amount 500 we will pay. Put amount 500. Text you write amount received. Who is giving the amount? A customer, no? Down select the customer. Only one customer is there, no? Click on process item. Top. Here we are paying partial amount. Okay. Go to partial tab. Some standard tab is there, a partial tab is there. Go to partial tab. Remove that amount, give 500. Enter. When you enter, no, the not assigned value will be 0. Okay, here the value should map. Okay, down. If 500, 500, it is mapping 0. Okay, now save. See, document number generated. Now go and check the balance. It will be in open item only with the balance of 500. Execute. See, 500 is there, no? Correct, no? Now settle the amount.
Again, NF20.
Huh?
NF20, remaining pay.
Try to make the remaining payment. CMT code. Cash account, that one, huh? Amount received. Text amount received. Process. See, we are settling the amount. We are in standard only. Okay, 0. Correct, no? Final amount, no.
500.
Yeah.
Save.
Save.
Certainly, we are settling the amount now. See the value, not assigned. It will be 0 only, down. Every time you need to check the down value should be mapped. Okay.
Oh, not assigned.
0. Now save. Document number and decision. Now go and check the balance. It will be in clear item. Will be in clear.
Okay. Your date.
No need. Date is there, no. See, already cleared. Okay. Like that you need to do. But Suresh, no customers are there, no, Suresh.
We'll create tomorrow weekend.
Okay, today try to do these things. Okay. Next week I will go for advance. Next week, okay, no? Your festivals are there, no problem, no?
Next week.
Yeah, for me it's okay. It's only 1 hour, right? It's not a problem.
Okay.
No problem. Until Thursday we can do. Friday we are
Okay.